Anonymous website visitors exposed. How to turn ghost traffic into sales. Does this sound all too familiar? You've spent countless hours driving traffic to your site. You've tweaked ads, optimized for SEO, and posted daily, only to watch visitors leave without a trace. It's like hosting a party where everyone sneaks out the back door and takes your profits with them. What if you could finally see who's visiting your site, even if they never fill out a form? Introducing TrafficID, the tool that unmasks anonymous website visitors and also hands you their contact details, such as company info and even exactly what they looked at on your site. No more guessing, no more wasted ad spend, just cold, hard leads that are ready to convert. Here's how it works. You're going to install a 30-second script on your site. Watch in real time as leads pour in. Names, emails, company size, even how long they stayed on your pricing page. You can filter from a hot identified leads like repeat visitors from the same company or people who spent 10 plus minutes on your site, such as a support page like case studies. You can retarget them personally or dump leads straight into your CRM. Think about it. That anonymous visitor who checked your pricing page 5 times, they're a VP at a Fortune 500 company. The person who spent 20 minutes on your blog, they're researching solutions for their team. The 1,000 visitors who bounced last week, they could have been your $50,000 deal. TrafficID doesn't just show you numbers, it shows you opportunities. And right now, you can test it free for 7 days. No credit card, no risk. But here's the kicker. Your competitors are already using tools like this. They're cherry picking your visitors, retargeting them with laser-focused ads and closing deals you should have won. Don't let another lead slip away. The link to start your free trial is in the video description box directly below. Seats for this are limited. 3,000 agencies already use TrafficID to turn ghost visitors into gold mines. Click the link, install the script, and start seeing real leads in minutes. Your traffic isn't dead. It's just invisible. Fix that today. Stop losing 95% of your leads to anonymity. Grab your 7-day free trial of TrafficID. Links in the video description box below. Your next big client is already on your site. Find them before your competition does. See you there.